Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to speed up mycelium growth. First, let's focus on creating the perfect environment. Mycelium thrives in consistent warmth, ideally between 75 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. High humidity, around 90 to 95%, is also crucial for rapid colonization. Remember to provide gentle fresh air exchange to prevent stale air buildup, but be careful not to dry out your substrate too much. These initial steps lay a strong foundation for vigorous growth. Next, the substrate itself plays a vital role. Selecting a nutrient-rich base, like grains, sawdust, or cocoa coir, provides the necessary food for your mycelium. It's absolutely critical to sterilize or pasteurize your chosen substrate properly. This step eliminates any competing bacteria or molds, giving your mycelium a clear path to colonize. Also, aim for a slightly acidic pH, typically between 5.5 and 6.5. For best results, a well-prepared substrate makes a huge difference. Now, let's talk about inoculation. Starting with a high-quality, vigorous mycelium culture or healthy spawn is paramount. Strong genetics lead to faster and more resilient growth. Always perform your inoculation in a sterile environment, such as a still air box or flow hood, to minimize the risk of contamination. Evenly distributing your spawn throughout the substrate provides more points of origin for the mycelium to spread from, significantly accelerating the colonization process. This step sets the pace for your entire project. Finally, consistent monitoring and maintenance are key. Regularly inspect your growing medium for any signs of contamination, like green or black molds, and address them immediately to protect your healthy mycelium. It's important to avoid disturbing the mycelium during its colonization phase. Let it do its work uninterrupted. Maintaining those consistent temperature and humidity levels we discussed earlier will continue to encourage rapid and healthy growth. Patience and vigilance will lead to successful and speedy mycelium development.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.